Hello my YouTube friends, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I'm working on my 2010 Kia Soul, and I'm going to be replacing the front wiper blades. The first thing I did was I picked up both of the wiper blades. I'm going to get you close to show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. What I'm going to do is, all I'm going to do is push these wiper blades down in order to get it off the hook there. So now be careful, because this can fall and hit your windows, so be very careful. And I'm going to do that in both sides. Also, what I want you to know is that one wiper blade is larger than the other one. In the description below, I will write the size of each wiper blade. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this, and we are going to push it a little bit this way like this, and we're going to push it down. Be careful that you don't hit your window. So all you have to do is just grab it and push it down. And once you push it down, it's going to come out of this hook here. Now these wiper blades are a little different. It has this green cover here. So what we're going to do is just remove them. Once we remove them, you have like this cover here. And all you have to do is just press. And once you press, you're going to see it lift up. And all we're going to do is we're going to take this little thing here, we're going to go under like this, we're going to go right under there, and all we're going to do is just push it, and you're going to hear it click. Once you hear it click, you take this and you push it down. Now let's go to the other. So we're going to do the same thing we did with the other one, and all we have to do is right here, just grab it, and once you grab it, all you're going to do is just push the wiper blades down. Once you push it down, it comes out, and this is where it's coming out from. Now you're going to take your new wiper blades, you're going to open it, and once you open it, right here, right in this hook, that's where you're going to put this in there. So all you're going to do is just take this, put it right through the hole through there. And once you do that, you're going to find that little thing I showed you. And all you're going to do is push it down. Once you hear it click, you push that down. And that's it. And you have replaced your wiper blades on your 2010 Kia Soul. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.